Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare for data protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Cloudflare website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, select the Add a Site button on the dashboard. Enter your website's URL and click Add Site. Choose a plan that suits your needs and click Confirm Plan. Cloudflare will now scan your domain's DNS records. Review the DNS records to ensure they are correct. Then, click Continue to proceed. You will now see the name servers assigned by Cloudflare. Copy these name servers for the next step. Open your domain registrar's website in a new tab. Log in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS management section or name server settings. Replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes in your registrar's dashboard. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Click Continue to finalize the setup. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate. Once the name servers are updated, you will receive a confirmation. Now, enable the security features you want. Navigate to the Firewall section in Cloudflare. Activate features like the Web Application Firewall for added protection. Adjust security settings based on your traffic and threat level. Next, go to the SSL/TLS section. Select the option that fits your encryption needs. Enabling full, strict, provides the best security. After setting up SSL, explore the Page Rules settings. Create rules to customize how Cloudflare handles specific requests. Test your website to ensure all features are working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.